Mike Pence is still contemplating. On Sunday, July 23rd, the former vice president spoke with CNN's Dana Bash on State of the Union about Donald Trump's potential indictment regarding his actions on January 6. Pence claimed he was not yet convinced that the former president's activity on the infamous day was criminal. "I really do hope it doesn't come to that," he added of Trump's possible third indictment. In one town hall after another, across New Hampshire, I heard a deep concern about the unequal treatment of the law, and I think one more indictment against the former president will only contribute to that sense among the American people, the 2024 presidential hopeful continued. "I would rather that these issues and the judgment about his conduct on January 6 be left to the American people in the upcoming primaries, and I will leave it at that." Bash then asked Pence about an interview where Trump spoke of his passionate supporters who would react to his supposedly feasible imprisonment. "I think it's a very dangerous thing to even talk about," the conservative politician replied, but then stated that the former reality TV star's rhetoric doesn't worry me because I have more confidence in the American people.